Are we set? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Ja, ja, ja.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Ja, ja, ja. Ooh la la. Hi-ya. Here's your little
Hold on, Chase. Get that out. Let it blow.
blue Katie. Yay!
Like a wish, give me a kiss.
Oh, Mom.
Katie a kiss and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Katie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Katie.
Say thank you.
Whoa.
Pick a cupcake, honey. Which one do you want? You pick
banana.
which one you like. Pick it out.
Mom, can I eat it?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm eating this one first. Get that wrapper off.
Oh, you can't get the wrapper off a cupcake? That's silly.
Yeah,
Look.
get in there, Chris.
Start on the outside.
Yeah, put it down and get it.
Peel it around like
There we
that.
go.
There you go.
Let me have a bite. That's yummy. What else have we got? Oh, what kind do you
Like
want?
that one? You can pick a chocolate and a vanilla.
Yeah, here you go.
And a vanilla.
You're gonna have two? I'll have maybe this one.
Oh, I'll take this one.
Anyway, that cupcake you packed me in the
I'll try this.
middle of High School Musical bag was so good.
Pleasure. Yes, I know. It's Savannah. She left me a message.
It was so good. Oh, that's my friend.
Mm-hmm.
I
That was my friend. I
Yeah.
tried on the truck and she didn't like the roller coaster.
No. How's your,
Uncle Michael got me on the roller coaster and a lot of bubbles.
went to the, where'd you go today, Katie?
To the store, but the land.
Storybook Land?
Yeah.
My favorite ride was the roller coaster with the bubbles.
My favorite ride was the roller coaster with the bubbles.
So was mine.
Did you like the turtle?
And it was very fast.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember any
It was
turtle.
very fast.
I haven't been there in so long.
Did Uncle Michael ride with you?
Hey, we have enough cupcakes for two, don't we? Everybody, right?
Mm-hmm.
Had enough for her class? How many's in there? There's not
I
that
don't
many.
really know.
Try one of these.
Probably like 12 plus a teacher, so they probably need like 15.
Those ones are in here. Dad, just take out that candle.
You want me to take it out? Oh, Chelsea's got it.
You can lick it.
No.